Today we're going to learn how to hang a photo. So today we're going to do a more simpler photo, and let's see our photo that we're going to be hanging today. So today this is the photo we're going to be hanging on this back wall, placed nicely between all of these other photos that are up here. So since it is a little heavier of a photo, we're not going to use just a simple nail. We're going to use a nail. Let's see our materials. We're going to use a nail right here, and then we're going to use a little anchor on it so that way the picture hangs more nicely on it. And our other materials are a level to make sure your photo's level on your wall. You don't want a crooked photo. And then we also have our hammer. So these are our materials today, so let's get started. So first I'm going to see where the photo would look nicely, and I'm going to put a little dot where I would like to put my nail. So I'm going to go to the wall, kind of stick my photo up here, see where it's going to sit nicely. And I'm thinking right here looks pretty good, nicely centered. So I'm going to hold it with one hand, and towards the middle I'm going to mark a hole. So now that my hole is marked, I'm going to take my photo, set it down real quick, and I'm going to grab my anchor. So I'm going to stick the nail and take the hammer and dab a little hole where I marked it. So now that I got my little hole, I'm going to pull the nail out so that way I can put the nail through my anchor and hang it back through. So I'm going to take my nail, so everyone can see it, and my anchor. And the anchor has a hole towards the top that you just slide your nail through. And then you're going to hang it back up onto the wall. So I'm going to put my nail into my hole that I previously made, and then just push it in. The anchor's going to hold firmly. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your photo. So we grab our photo, and we're going to hang it. We got to find, there's a little hook on the back of the photo that you have to get that's going to slide right into that hook. So sometimes it helps if you go to the side of your photo. There we go. So it's hanging on the back of the hook by a little, it looks like a little teeth mark, and you're going to bounce it on that. So the last thing we got to do, we're going to grab our level. We're going to grab our level, and we're going to place it. Let's talk about level real quick. So level, we all see this little bubble. For a picture to be laying correctly even, the bubble needs to be placed directly between the two lines in the middle. This shows that your photo has been leveled. Once the ball is in the middle, you're just moving it side to side to make sure that ball stays in the middle. So we're going to place it on top. And the bubble's favoring the left side a little, so I'm going to lift my right. And right now the bubble shows that it's directly in the middle, so that means our photo is directly centered and it's level. So, no crooked photos today. So, now we have shown how to hang a photo correctly. And just remember, if it's a more heavier photo, we need to use the anchors and the screws. And if it's just a light little photo, you can put a little nail up there, a classical nail. But since this one was a little heavier, we decided to use the anchor just to make sure that it has some stability. So that's how we hang a photo, and I hope that this video was very useful. Thank you for watching.